Africa Content TV.
You will not be relegated for your enemies to be elevated. May you keep accelerating. May you keep flourishing. May you keep growing from glory to glory. May your birthday usher in grace, favor, blessings unstoppable in the name of Jesus.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you. I wish you long life and prosperity.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
It's Abel's birthday.
Wow.
Abu Abel is a brother to me. You know, somebody that I've known for many years. Your loyalty, has always been on point. And you're a voice for the youth. You're someone that I know that you're carrying that, and you like to create so much opportunity for people, coming behind. So you must be celebrated on your birthday. You're a special day. And I'm happy to be associated with you. So I'm wishing you a happy birthday today. I wish you long life. I wish you good health. And I wish you prosperity. I wish you all the good things in this world. You're a great guy. May God give you long life. And everything you lay your hands on shall prosper. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Abu Abel.
Oh, yeah.
Presidential.
Happy birthday.